Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how lollipops are made in a factory. First, sugar, corn syrup, and water are carefully measured and combined in large cooking kettles. This mixture is then heated to a precise high temperature, often over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, to achieve the perfect consistency. Once the desired temperature is reached, flavorings and colors are added, transforming the clear syrup into a vibrant, tasty base. After the syrup is flavored and colored, it's cooled slightly and then processed. The candy mass is pulled and stretched to achieve the right texture before entering a specialized forming machine. This machine precisely shapes the candy into individual lollipops. Simultaneously, sticks are automatically inserted into each soft candy piece, ensuring they are firmly embedded before hardening. Once formed, the lollipops move along a cooling conveyor or through cooling tunnels. Here, cool air circulates around them, allowing the candy to rapidly harden and solidify. This controlled cooling process is crucial. It prevents the lollipops from cracking and ensures they maintain their perfect shape and glassy texture. Finally, the hardened lollipops are ready for their finishing touches. Automated wrapping machines individually seal each lollipop in plastic or cellophane, protecting its freshness. Quality control systems then inspect for any defects, like air bubbles or improper stick placement. The perfect lollipops are then sorted, counted, and packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.